How y'all doing? Well, I bought some items from, I want to share with you guys the items I bought from Amazon. Some baking materials. I got a Ultra Cuisine French rolling pin. It's that stainless steel. These are the boxes I'm showing first with the package they came in. And I got a silicone pastry mat. And I have a silicone, it's macaron baking mat. The reason why I got this one because they said it was a 19 by 13, which my big pan is, but it really don't look that big. It looked like for a medium, like a 16 by 12 or something. This is the silicone macaron baking sheet right here. You guys can see, and then there's the stainless steel French rolling pin, and there's the baking mat. Has a couple of recipes on there, sugar cookies and some pie dough. Then in the center show you the different size pie shell sizes, I guess, or cookies. And then it tells you about the let me get this out the way, I'm making a mess. Sorry, I'm on the couch making a mess. And then you got the weight conversions. Then you got the oven temperatures. Liquid measurements. I like my little bacon mat. This goes in the oven too. That's what I meant to say, you guys. The temperature for the bacon mat, it says goes up to heat resistance up from 220 to 450 Fahrenheit. So yep, I like my bacon mat. I know this is an odd what am I trying to say? This is an odd place for me to try to show you guys this stuff, but if you guys only knew, I don't have my table because I'm X/couponer, and that's a whole nother story. But anyway, this is my bacon mat. The roll dough out, it says it doesn't stick. The dough doesn't stick on this mat when you roll it, so you don't need any extra flour stuff. Each one of these pieces I purchased $16. And my stainless steel rolling pin. Let me see. I'm gonna put the, oh, it's a little heavy, that stainless steel rolling pin. I'm trying to put the, I'm just throwing stuff all over you guys. I'm not trying to show you my pillows on my old couch. But this is the mat, the macaron silicone baking mat. And it says you can bake on here between 40 and 480 degrees. And Fahrenheit, 40°C to 280°C. And it says don't put the mat in the oven during the preheat, so it got to be already heated up, then put in there. You don't need no oil, no fat, because nothing sticks. That's what it says. I haven't tried them. I just got these things, so I'll let you guys know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And one day I'm gonna make a pie crust and show you guys. I don't know when. I don't even need to be eating a pie. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys my stuff that I bought. That's the brand there. I'm a hot mess. That's the pastry one that the pastry thing came out of. And this is the stainless steel French rolling pin box. That's the size. Like I said, everything's $16 each on these things. Hope that I enjoy their use, and now they're going back. But yeah, that's all. That's it. That's everything. Just wanted to share something that I bought. The next thing I want to buy, I need me an Instant Pot, but I think my son said he was going to get me one. I don't know. But anyway, I am going to enjoy these items. Thanks for watching. I don't want to keep you guys too long. I tried to do the best I could to help you guys. But I'm showing the couch pillow that I don't need to be showing in this video. But anyway, look at that sugar cookie recipe. You can stop the video and look at it. And here goes the pie dough one. Anyway, guys, that's it. That's all. That's everything. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.